So this is the RS20. So one of the nice things about this is it's got a side door. So no matter the position of the bucket, you can't get stuck inside the machine because the door can always open. So one arm, that's unlike it just about any other 68 horsepower skid steer on the market that I'm aware of. Everybody else has two arms, and you're either going to get stuck inside the cab or you're going to be crawling through a back window. Speaking of windows, the front in this first iteration, it's glass, and this top part right here from where I'm holding up, it kind of is like the Kubota to where it'll roll up like that. And then this bottom piece can actually be removed if you needed to go out that way for whatever reason. The back is completely sealed. You got factory air, an air ride cushion seat, Bluetooth radio, stereo speakers, lights. On the front of the machine, you've got nice big LED lights here. Pilot controls, and look at the room. From the front of the window here to over here, that's about 24, 26 inches. I don't have a tape measure with me. You got a battery compartment right here. Quick shut off. And if you're running as a forestry mulcher, if you notice, there's nowhere for particles or debris to actually get in the machine. Right here, I was talking with one of the engineers. They're going to look at changing these bolts all the way around this machine there, and then this compartment, because to check the oil is right where my finger is, about 2 feet from there. So every morning or at the end of when you're done working, you're going to have to take all this off, check the oil, and then put it on. They're going to look into some type of quick disconnect down the road. That'll be field upgradable. You've got multiple cooling fans. You've got a nice engine compartment door, hydraulic flow fan here. Then you've got the hydraulic oil tank and the fuel tank, diesel. You've got a reservoir tank here. Just keep it between the low and full. Way back here at the top is the air filter. You've got a fuel filter right there. The green safety line, that's the hydraulic fluid quick shut off. This is a Yanmar engine. Hydraulic fluid quick check right there. And then on this side, this is the side where all the business happens. Look at this massive arm. That arm can pick up over 2,200 kilograms, over 4,000 pounds. And again, just like you saw on the other side, completely sealed. There's no way for dirt to get into the engine compartment. Really, the only hole is right here where the cylinder is. And if you notice on the far side right there, you've got another big thick piece of steel. So there's hardly any dust that can get over into the engine area. So you don't have to worry so much about fires or anything like that. You can see all the grease fittings all around the machine. There's several of them. We're going to be doing some tests here in about another week or so. Hopefully we'll be able to pick up some weight today. But the mulcher, there was a misunderstanding, but the mulcher got shipped to the US, and here I am in China at the Rippa headquarters. This is their new facility that you see right here, and it's not even done. You can see a quarter of the building is down there, still not even being built yet. Right now they have 12 different assembly lines where they can assemble 12 different machines, 12 of the same, 8 of this one, 4 of that one of each, whatever they've got. But lots going on here. This is an awesome machine, and the price is right. 40 grand or less, depending upon the tariffs. For a similar machine from any of the top big guys, Bobcat, Kubota, Cat, John Deere, you're going to pay more than double for about the same performance. And there was a couple of machines that I just mentioned that's on the website where this machine will beat it. Thanks for watching.